Hi and welcome. This is Dr. Q again with the Indian Palm Leaf Reading Institute. Today I wanted to share with you how easy it is to get a reading done. We here at the Institute have actually come up with a super simple 3-step process for you so that you can get a reading done from the comfort of your home, irrespective of where you live. All we need from you to get the process started are two things. Firstly, we would need your thumb impression. For ladies, their left, and for gents, their right thumbprint. And secondly, we would also need to know in which country you were born. That's it. Neither do we want, nor do we need to know anything else about you. Step 1 of the process is the search. With the information that we've received from you, we will go on a physical search for your bundle or bundles in India, which hopefully will contain your individual palm leaf. Step 2 is the matching. In case we're able to find for you at least one bundle, we will then set up with you a live video conference call to see whether there is a matching palm leaf specifically for you. Step 3 is the reading. Once it was established that you indeed have your very own palm leaf, then our expert reader will extract its powerful messages that were written for you by the Maharishis some 3,000 years ago. Of course, also in a live video conference call. You see, the process is truly simple. And as mentioned before, you can do so from the comfort of your home, irrespective of where you live. You will also have the support of one of our wonderful moderators who will hold your hand from the minute we receive your thumb impression until after the reading has been completed. Now, if you need more information or are ready to submit your thumbprint, then please check out our other videos or our website at www.indianpalmleafreading.com. Until next time, namaste.